Aaron was playing around and shot at his manager. He was like, man, a bullet was in it. It was like, bam, shot it in the ceiling.
They woke him up
They
one
was
morning.
like, that wasn't real.
That
That wasn't real. Ain't no way that was real. And still to this day, they don't think it was real. The bullet holes in the ceiling.
Give it to Mark.
No, what do y'all go? You go first, Devin.
No, you're first.
I don't even know how to hold it.
You pull the trigger. That's all you do.
Is it loaded?
Yeah, it's loaded.
Like that? Yeah.
You ever watch TV?
No. Should I stand closer?
No, you're good.
Oh, man.
No, Devin, you go first.
I'm scared to shoot it.
I'd shoot it first, but I don't know how bad it'd kick.
Ready?
I don't know, man. You should. Should I brace myself and pull my pants up or something?
One. Hey, remind me, Mark, I got a pair of shorts in there that might fit you. You might need them in a minute.
Like that.
Alright, ready?
One.
Yeah.
Should I get my face back?
Don't let him get hurt.
Is it on your shoulder good?
I don't know.
You gotta make sure it's
Right there,
though.
right?
It's not gonna break his arm.
No, it ain't gonna hurt
Don't
him.
shoot it yet.
You're making a minute of it.
Don't
I'm
shoot
ready.
it.
You want me to count down for you?
No, I got this.
Alright, you ready? Go.
Is there a trick to it?
Take the safety off.
I was shaking so bad. I'm sweating.
You see the safety? Alright, there you go. Now you're ready to shoot, so be careful. Don't be pointing it at nobody or anything.
1, 2. You're a big boy now.
I can't do it.
Pull the damn trigger.
Ears are ringing a little bit.
He missed the target.
Did I miss it?
Put that safety on.
Did I really miss that? No, not too bad. It was more or less the noise that got me. So, yeah, I did about that.
No, you got it. See all those little dots all over it?
Nice.
How come I didn't put a hole in it?
Because it
you
shoots
were
shot.
close,
See all the little
yeah.
BBLs
Where's the shell?
in the gun?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Hit
not too bad. So 10 gauge is going to be a lot worse than that there.
Yeah.
First shotgun shell?
You got the thing on it?
Nice. I'm definitely give me a shotgun
Smell
now.
it.
That's the smell
How big
good.
is the brass on it? On the bottom of it.
Told Aaron I'm going to carve his name in one of these bullets at work. I'll just keep it.
Did you cock it?
Yeah, I like that. Let me see this one. Make sure it even shoots.